Hi everyone, this is Dr. Swamy Haladi. I work as a global program manager for the mycotoxin risk management program within our feed safety program. In this video, I would like to discuss one of the very emerging and an important topic most of the industry people are talking today is about the analysis of biomarkers for mycotoxins. Just to give a little bit of introduction, for mycotoxin biomarkers, potentially there are two ways or two types of biomarkers. One is you can measure the mycotoxin metabolite. That means once the mycotoxin goes inside the body, in the liver and various other organs, they broke down into number of metabolites. Sometimes it can stay in the parent compound, but most of the time it's broken down into a number of metabolites. So measuring them is one way, we call that as a biomarker analysis. And another way potentially is this mycotoxin cause some challenges inside the body, whether it is related to liver or kidney, and it changes the concentration of some of the biochemical parameters. Just to give an example, when you have fumonisin toxicity, you have elevated levels of sphingolipids. The ratio of the sphingolipids changes, spingan into spingasin ratio. Or in case of aflatoxins, if you have aflatoxin B1 in the feed of dairy cows, it can excrete into aflatoxin M1 in the milk. So there are two ways of metabolites. One is actually the metabolite of mycotoxin, and another one is actually changing something physiology of the animals as the toxin makes it adverse effects in the body. So coming to the first one, mycotoxin metabolites. So there is a lot of research going on at the moment to understand, can we analyze DON and its metabolites in the urine, in the serum, or in the feces of the animals? Can we do the same thing for zearalenone, aflatoxin, ochratoxin, and recent times even for fumonisins? As a veterinarian, one of the challenges of using this biomarker analysis I can see is that this cannot be used for a quality control in the feed mill, because you're not measuring in the raw material, so you cannot make a decision of accepting or rejecting raw material. So certainly it is not something for the feed mill. Can it be used in the field to associate these metabolites into mycotoxin challenge? Potentially yes, but I think still there is a need for more research, and that's what most of the scientists are telling. And one of the main reasons for this is a mycotoxin is broken down into number of metabolites, not just one metabolite. So to really understand the challenge, you need to measure all the metabolites, which may not be practical sometimes. So to conclude, yes, the analysis of biomarkers can certainly help to diagnose the mycotoxin challenge. But if you ask the question, are we ready today to do that? And probably the answer is no, but I'm sure over the period of time we can come up with technologies to make it more cheaper, more available to the field, or make it more defined in terms of these metabolites. Again, I hope these tips helps you in understanding what can be done with biomarkers for mycotoxins and what cannot be. Thank you.